How do people get pregnant? For fertilization to happen, a sperm and an egg must touch each other. Implantation is the process by which a fertilized egg sticks to the lining of the uterus. 2 to 3 weeks after a sexual act is a good time to get pregnant. How do a man and a woman start a family? Pregnancy is a long process with a lot of moving parts and steps. The process starts when an oocyte from a woman and a spermatozoon from a man join together. Sperm are made when small cells in the testes divide and grow. Semen is a fluid made up of sperm and other fluids that comes out of a man when he ejaculates. It is also called cum. When a man ejaculates, he sends out millions and millions of sperm, but only one of those sperm needs to meet an egg to make a baby. Each month, a small number of eggs in your ovaries mature because of the hormones that control your menstrual cycle. When someone says, mature egg, they mean an egg that is ready to be fertilized by a sperm cell. These hormones not only get your body ready for pregnancy, but they also make the lining of your uterus thick and spongy. In the middle of your cycle, you will give birth to a mature egg. Ovulation is the process by which an egg moves through the fallopian tube and into the uterus. It takes the egg between 12 and 24 hours to move down the fallopian tube and find any nearby sperm. If sperm gets into the vagina, it can swim up through the cervix. This is because the sperm and the uterus work together to move the sperm into the fallopian tubes. A sperm and an egg must be moving through the fallopian tubes at the same time for them to join. Sperm can fertilize an egg for up to 6 days before it dies. In the process of fertilization, a sperm cell and an egg join together. So, the egg and sperm don't join together right away. Sperm can live in the uterus and fallopian tube for up to 6 days, so an egg can be fertilized any time between right after sex and 6 days later. When a sperm cell joins with an egg, fertilization happens. The egg then moves through the fallopian tube to the uterus. As the ball gets bigger, it slowly breaks up into individual cells. A blastocyst is a sphere of cells that forms after fertilization and moves to the uterus 3 to 4 days later. The group of cells stays in the uterine cavity for another 2 or 3 days. When the cell ball sticks to the uterine lining, this is called implantation. You are now thought to be at the start of your pregnancy. Usually, implantation starts around the 6th day after fertilization and lasts for another 3 to 4 days. The baby grows from the cells inside the ball. The cells that line the outside of the ball become the placenta. When a fertilized egg implants, pregnancy hormones are released. These hormones stop the uterine lining from shedding. Because of this, women who are pregnant don't get their periods. If a fertilized egg doesn't stick to the wall of the uterus, the lining of the uterus falls off during menstruation because it isn't needed. It is thought that up to 50% of fertilized eggs don't grow into babies in the uterus. Instead, when you bleed, they are flushed out of your body. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.